back to your question of what are some use cases you see, I'll throw one out there that's very unique. Okay. But I think people might be able to understand from that. One of our clients has a password hacking application, and they do it because they have to get into certain files that as a service for their clients, but it happens only once in a while. They need the horsepower of $100,000 server, meaning it's got to have some massive GPUs in there because, man, it takes a lot to go through these typical things, but they only do it once every 2 or 3 months. So why would I spend all that money when I can take this application, I can put it in Azure, and I can put it into, yes, it'll be an expensive one with hot disk and maybe some GPU relationship, but I only have to turn it on when I need it. And so I think that that's one way I've always guided people is if you're going to use something just once in a while, or you're going to burst and it has these big peaks to it, don't build a data center, don't build an infrastructure of hardware for the peak, because that's expensive. Build it for your common usage and either peak it into Azure, or if it's only used on a certain basis, like the example I just gave, let's go ahead and just put that whole thing in Azure.